Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum has not really moved much today or yesterday. Just sideways movement, just range-bound movement. And I'm still tracking the current sideways range here as a wave 4. It has turned really into a sideways range. Couple of ideas I have about this. I'm not yet leaning to the white count. Yeah, white count, remember, is the one in which we have a B wave top in place. Idea here in the white count is a third wave topped on the 12th, 13th of March. A wave down into the 13th of April low. B wave up into the 27th of May high. And C wave down would follow and could test the area, around those previous swing lows. From May, April, here in the area around $2,820. That's currently not what I expect. I would need further evidence to, let's say, believe it, because there are some support levels below or between the lower support area and the current price. So this area will be tested first. That's at least my idea. Shouldn't say will, should be tested first. So if we then zoom in a little bit, in the bullish count, we have a possible 5-wave pattern to the upside unfolding. In the previous video earlier today, I also shared with you the bigger picture. This here is the shorter time frame, where the third wave topped on the 23rd of May, A wave down, high B wave, and we could now come down in the C wave. The C wave is not an impulse. So the only option really I have is to call it an ending diagonal. And I can call that an A, B, C in wave 1. I can call that a wave 2 rally here, which peaked on Wednesday the 29th around 3,880. Consequently, the third wave to the downside would also need to be an ABC structure if this is an ending diagonal. This here would be an A wave down. It looks a bit like a 5-wave move. B wave rally into resistance. Yeah, it actually reacted to standard resistance for the B wave. That's between the 3,795 and 3,847 level. And then maybe the C wave down could have started. And we'll see. That is sort of what I'm watching on the weekend, this resistance area. And it takes, however, a break below the A wave low to confirm that around 3,710. And then we should sort of head towards around about 3,567. Then we can get a 4th wave rally and a 5th wave to the downside. And we could reach the area around 3,567, 3,475, and maybe even 3,420. And yeah, it can also go lower, but these are the next key levels to watch. There is some Fibonacci confluence around 3,470 roughly. This is also the ideal support for wave 4. It's typically the ideal target for a 4th wave. I shouldn't say target, it's not really a target, but it's normally the level that most wave 4s terminate at. In addition to that, we have here a Fibonacci extension level, so there's good Fibonacci confluence there. So at the moment, based on the microstructure, I would say it should end somewhere around or maybe just above that 38.2 retracement at 3,470. At the moment, if the price breaks above the nearest resistance area here highlighted in red, then I think it could still be the orange count, which is a WXY structure, in which then the move down is an A, we have a larger B, and wave C in Y. Just a slightly different, wave structure, but not really a massive change or anything. Yeah, and if we break above the Monday high, well, then the low was already in, but for now I have no evidence for that. So forecast is lower. Again, I don't have an impulse down, so it generally keeps the door open for higher, but the choppy movements here also keep the door open for lower short term within a still bullish, potentially bullish structure, as long as support holds. So I'll keep you updated about that. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.